Hello everyone. Today we are going to find the value of k for the given equation k plus 7 square is equals to 64. So let's start by writing the equation. K plus 7 square is equals to 64. First, we are going to solve this with two methods. First is by taking this 64 to the left hand side, we are left with k plus 7 square minus 64 is equals to 0. So we know that 64 is equals to 8 square. By writing k plus 7 square minus 8 square is equals to 0, we will get this term. If we take this term as a and this as b, we are left with a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Using this formula, we will get k plus 7 plus 8 and k plus 7 minus 8 equals to 0. From here, we'll get k plus 15 and k minus 1 is equals to 0. And if we equate both of these terms with the right hand side, we are left with k plus 15 is equals to 0 and k minus 1 equals to 0. From here, value of k will be minus 15. By taking this 15 to the right hand side, k is equals to minus 15, and taking this k minus 1 to the right hand side, k will be 1. So value for this k is minus 15 and 1. And another method is k plus 7 square equals to 64. K plus 7 square minus 64 equals to 0. Here, if we use a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, then our left hand side will be k square plus 14k plus 49 minus 64 is equals to 0. Now k square plus 14k, by removing these brackets, plus 49 minus 64 is equals to 0. And if we subtract these, the equation will be k square plus 14k minus 15 equals to 0. Now we are going to use factorization method. We are going factors. So if you want to learn factorization method, you can check another video on my channel. And here we have k square. If we write it as plus 15k minus 1k minus 15 equals to 0, because plus 15 minus 1k is 14k and 15 into 1 is 15. By taking k common, inside the bracket we will have k plus 15, and from here minus 1 common, we are left with k plus 15 in the bracket equals to 0. Now take k plus 15 common, and k minus 1 will be the another term equals to 0. By equating these terms to the 0 on the right hand side, we will get k plus 15 is equals to 0 and k minus 1 equals to 0. From here, k is equals to minus 15. This is the first solution, and k is equals to 1. This is the second value for k. I hope you got both the methods. So here we have used this formula, a square minus b square, and here we have used a plus b whole square formula.